1500.
Grade sander. Is that the word?
And then we're gonna do 2000.
And then 2000. Ooh. Into the water.
The water. Hold your, like that. Okay. And that's the 1500. Okay, we're gonna start that first. Put it in there.
Okay, so I take this.
Yeah, let's roll this over here a bit.
Gentle. And here is the light.
Okay.
And you can see.
Here, I'll show you. Mainly right here, okay?
Okay.
Just real firm, you know, not
too
hard, just kind of look like firm pressure. See how that's,
yeah,
see how that's turning like that?
Yes, it's coming up.
Yeah. So keep, you don't have to, just until now, okay, you stop there, okay? And we'll just take a cloth. See? So, you want to knock this down, knock all that stuff off the 1500, then you're going to come along with this.
So this is the, which one is this?
This is a 2000.
2000.
So we're kind of, this is a final. And see, you still see that. And you just kind of keep doing it until you don't. You know, and you'll feel it. You'll feel it'll, when you wet sand, it starts, there's like resistance, but when you get near the end, it glides very easy, the sandpaper, okay?
Okay, here's the original how it looks after I'm done sanding. And then Rich said he's got to polish it, and then that'll make it look even better. But you can kind of see immediately. All right, the light is done. Now it's getting back cloudy. Maybe I should stop wiping it off with that same rag. He said he wants to polish it, so hopefully it works. Please, please, please. And then I'm putting on the new license plates. I got a Walt Disney cover, so getting fancy here. Okay, so we're gonna polish it. He grabbed the power cord. He's going to get the polisher, and let's see how this works. All right, so you put what cream on there?
This is machine polish.
Machine polish?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is kind of what's in the kit. You kind of rub it around like that.
Wow.
See?
That looks like a new light.
Yeah, let me do a little bit more.
Okay. Put the juice on it.
Down here anyway. Get the bugs off. There you go, look at that.
Wow.
Like brand new.
So, here is the before. I sandpapered, wiped it down, and now he's gonna buff it.
You want to try this?
No, I do not.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, it kind of just doesn't. Let's see where I'm at with this thing. This way we chip the water and.
Yeah.
Technically, we're supposed to tape all this off.
Oh, okay.
But I only do. Well, better than it was.
Oh, definitely. All right, let's see. We buff this one out a little more.
Yeah, so you don't see that. I don't see that.
We sanded twice.
Wet sanded, 2 different grits.
Wet sanded 2 different grids.
1,500 and 3,000 or 2,000.
Yeah, 1,500 and 2,000, and then buffed it with the
power
polisher,
buffer.
power buffer
With-
to polish it.
With 3M
3M.
perfected machine polish.
And that's how you can get your older car lights with that cloudy film clean. Hopefully this helps someone, and we'll see you in our next video.